Hidden gems in Occoquan, Virginia. What are those? Let me show you. My name is Claudia S. I'm a local Northern Virginia real estate agent. For more Northern Virginia community, things to do, restaurants, all things Northern Virginia, hit the subscribe button, follow me. I will post more videos like this about the area. Now let's get in and check out those Occoquan hidden gems. I go to Occoquan quite often. I've known all the restaurants, the shops, and everything. I can show you all about it. Let's go! If you've been to Occoquan before, you're most likely familiar with Gaslight Landing, those iconic buildings when you first drive into Occoquan, right there where the parking spaces are. Those are 4-level townhouses with an elevator, and they're selling anywhere from 800 to 900,000. They're very popular because obviously Occoquan has kind of like a vacation resort style feeling. They also have a private pier with boat docks there as well for the residents. This is most of the time the picture that you see when anyone refers to Occoquan. We see the Occoquan Reservoir where you can boat. Up the street you can actually rent paddle boats, you can rent kayaks. It's very popular. Today was such a beautiful day that there was a line at the rental place. They're renting out kayaks, stand-up paddle boards. The rental place is right behind Madigan's. Have you been renting a kayak or paddle boat from there before? Drop me a line, let me know how you liked it. Would love to hear from you. When you come into Occoquan, there are several places where you can park. You can park to the right of the Riverwalk shops. There is under the bridge, there's lots of parking available, or you park in front of Gaslight Landing or somewhere else on the street. Puzzlepalooza, this is actually one of my friends' favorite place to go with the kids. They enjoy playing games and then having ice cream at the ice cream shop right there as well. One has lots of really cute little quaint stores. Gifts and Gather is very popular. They also offer, for example, candle making classes and all kind of other shops, workshops. So check out their calendar. Look at how cute those bags are. I would definitely want to get one, either the Virginia or the Washington DC one. Opened a second store, Leaf and Moss, which is just up the street. They are selling plants, and it's also a gift shop where they have really cute things. You all know I'm from Switzerland, so the next place, Nasbro, is really very dear to me. They have excellent chocolate. If you've not tried it, go check it out. Then Secret Garden, a great cafe restaurant. You do have to know where it is. First time I tried to go there, I almost missed it. Next to it, the Spot on Mill, which is another great place. I just went to the Ban Thai place, which is a delicious Thai food restaurant. Go check out my other video on all the restaurants in Occoquan. I'll make sure I tag it. Now across the street, this is going to be torn down. The Mill at Occoquan are going to be luxury condos, and they should be starting to break ground soon. Moving on, River Mill Park. It's a beautiful park. You will see the iconic love sign there as well. Obviously, Virginia is for lovers. You can cross the Occoquan River right here to the Fairfax side, or you can access the river through the steps right next to the museum if you like to go kayaking or paddleboard. During the summer months, there are always events happening at Rivermill Park, like free concerts and all that good stuff. But it's also just fun to take a stroll through the park or bring a picnic. There's always something happening at Rivermill Park. Have you been to one of the concerts before? Let me know. Basically, Occoquan has something for everyone. What's your favorite favorite Occoquan event? Leave me a comment. Would love to hear from you. Now that we've been to the end of Occoquan, let's walk back. There is a museum right there, right next to Rivermill Park. I've never been there, but Bottle Stop Wine Bar, I love it. We actually went there today. Delicious wine. Then United States Post Office, my friend always goes there, and she said it's really a beautiful historic building right next to VFW. Now here, I think we're gonna get a beer garden. That is right across from Madigan's. We're heading back to the car, but I think they're opening a beer garden. Hopefully it will be open for Oktoberfest. I hope you enjoyed this stroll through Occoquan. Be sure to check out my video about Occoquan restaurants for more tips.